Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Alienware AW568 keyboard. So this is a mechanical keyboard and it has brown switches. Here on the left we have macros. One of the macros is missing, but obviously it comes with it. So yeah, this is a 100% keyboard, as you can see. There's the number pad, there's everything, so it's not 60%, 80%, nothing like that. This is just a normal keyboard. Here's what it sounds like. There's the sound test. It sounds really good. Brown switches are my favorite. So yeah, this keyboard's definitely for me. You can, right here, here's the light. Right now I've turned it off, but right here you can turn it on. And it lights up like that. It doesn't light up on the keys. It stays black, and I kind of like it that way. So yeah, you can program it, but I don't have the software, and I'm too lazy to get it. So it just keeps it like this. But you can have it like a rainbow, like any color. So yeah, this keyboard is pretty good. Like, I like the brown switches, and it's probably like one of the only 100% brown switch keyboard that I know of, and it has macros. So yeah, if you don't know what macro is, like, you press one button and it does a bunch of buttons, and you do one button. So that's what macro is. It comes with those. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys did enjoy this review, make sure you subscribe and like. See ya.